Verizon's 5 gram home internet offers a contract free plug and play setup with no technician needed. Installation is fast under 10 minutes and the app guides you easily. Speeds vary. During off peak times, downloads can hit 300 megabits per second, great for 4 Kelvin streaming and remote work. But during peak hours, speeds may dip to around 100 megabits per second, with occasional ping spikes noticeable if you game or do frequent video calls. The service is generally stable, but weather and network congestion, especially in urban areas, can impact performance. It's not fiber, and Verizon is upfront about that. Plans start at $50 month, all inclusive, and you get a 30-day money back guarantee. Bottom line, if you want a simple, no cable internet setup and live in a good 5 gram area, Verizon 5 gram home internet is a solid pick for casual users. Power users or gamers might still prefer fiber or cable for more consistent speeds.